YouTube. Caught a nice wolf here, but I'm wondering if it's sick or not. The hair is pretty nice on the back. He's a bit skinny. The belly's not bad, but on each side, the fur is not even a 1/4 inch long. It's pretty soft though, but I'm wondering if it's a disease of some kind. I've heard of people getting sick wolves. Both sides have it. See it pretty good on this side. So it's just a little gray hair. So if any of you guys know what kind of sickness or whatever is wrong with it, leave me a comment, man. So yeah, man, caught this in the snare. So let me know what you guys find out. Peace, man.